If you're experiencing the CS2 Cloud Save Error 2026, follow the simple steps to resolve the issue and restore your Cloud Save functionality. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. A weak or intermittent connection can cause issues with Cloud Saves. Step 2. Restart the game. Close CS2 completely and restart it. This can help refresh the connection to the cloud servers and may resolve temporary glitches. Step 3. Verify game files. Access the game settings through a platform like Steam and choose the option to verify the integrity of game files. This will check for any corrupted files and replace them. Step 4. Update the game. Make sure that your game is updated to the latest version. Developers often release patches that fix bugs, including Cloud Save errors. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists, reach out to the game support team for assistance. Provide them with details about the error and any steps you have already taken. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Cloud Save error and enjoy your gaming experience without interruptions.